An immunology specialist at University of Tokyo discovered a protein called apoptosis inhibitor of macrophage, AIM. I remember that messaging app. I'm something of a scientist myself. I've used AIM before. You hear about the medication that's supposed to extend a cat's life to 30 years? Wait, no. Huh? Thanks, membership, Jared. I'm just going to type that in verbatim. This is brand spanking new. Japanese scientists develop treatments that can help cats live up to 30 years. No, I get it, Word. I totally do get it. Japanese scientists have developed a treatment targeting chronic kidney disease in cats, potentially extending their lifespan to 30 years. Cats with an average lifespan of just 15 years face CKD as a major threat as it dramatically worsens their health, particularly in adults, affecting nearly 30% of cats by the age of 10. In 2015, Dr. Taru Miyazaki, an immunology specialist at University of Tokyo, discovered a protein called apoptosis inhibitor of macrophage, AIM. I remember that messaging app. I'm something of a scientist myself. I've used AIM before. That helps the kidney flush out toxins using immunoglobulin antibodies. While AIM is present in the blood of many animals, he noticed that the protein doesn't always function properly in cats. This prevents crucial waste removal in felines, making them susceptible to kidney failure. Fueled by his passion for cats, Miyazaki has dedicated years of research to developing the AIM injection, a treatment targeting the root cause of feline kidney disease. Miyazaki's research faced a hurdle early in the process when COVID-19 stalled his funding, but in 2022 he shared his struggles with GG Press, sparking a wave of support from cat lovers worldwide. When donations totaling 300 million yen, $2 million, poured in, he decided to resign from his university position and focus solely on developing the AIM treatment. The AIM injection has shown promising results in ongoing clinical trials, exceeding expectations and even showing improvements in terminally ill cats. Miyazaki's team is actively working to ensure affordability of the medication, making this life-saving treatment accessible to all cat owners. The injection is expected to be commercially available by 2025. That is a crazy timeline, by the way. I don't know. I'm just learning about this for the first time. I don't know how legit this is. I don't know if this actually is like this incredible breakthrough that it seems to be. But for $2 million, 2 million clams, and only a few years, relatively speaking, a few years in the grand scheme of things, it's still 10 years overall from 2015 till now. But 10 years and $2 million, he was able to find an extremely massive breakthrough medication to treat a very deadly disease. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. And honestly, that's very cheap too. For medication, $2 million worth of donations going to that, that's very cheap. For cats. Well, yeah, obviously, this same procedure is not going to go through for humans. There's a lot more red tape there. This is animals. But I've said for a long time, you can go back and find stream clips. I really think we're not far off from having a future where animals are able to live an extremely long lifespan. I really think, and I think they deserve it. Like, for sure. I would love that. I have not played that game, Kagari. Do you still have your cat? Io? Of course. I have not heard of that one, Trunk. Yeah, it really seems like this guy just had a true passion and the knowledge to try and act on it, and he got the money he needed and focused on it entirely. No red tape, no corruption, just beelining for the goal, and looks like on the verge of accomplishing it. That is very exciting stuff. I will absolutely be keeping my eye on this. This is incredible. Some very wholesome, positive news. Big Pharma will increase the injection price by 100x. Well, the good news is, well, I mean, I guess you're not entirely wrong. Actually, veterinary costs are extremely high. But this wouldn't go through Big Pharma. Not in the way you think it does. The vet industry has its whole different set of problems when it comes to the expenses on things. But I see what you're saying. Yeah, it'll probably be very expensive, at least at the start. How do you know? Tiana's a vet tech. So I used to be kept up to date on everything that was going on in the vet industry. And how expensive all of it was. I saw all of it firsthand. Yeah, I've been seeing that copyright. I still don't really like Power Slap for that reason. Have you heard about the new medicine that cures type 1 diabetes in 11 months? Holy shit, wait, we're getting some crazy breakthroughs. No, I didn't. Why doesn't that make more headlines? That should be such a huge splash. I even look for these things, and I don't see them. That's huge. These are membership mills. Now, are you saying cure or treat? Did I read that wrong? Did you say cure? Or some kind of treatment to, like... No, you said cure. That I don't know about. Hold on. Now I'm going to check that. I see what you found. You're looking at the stem cell therapy implant, right? Voice crack, right? That's the only thing that even attempts to say that, or attempts to say what you've just mentioned. So it's an experimental device containing millions of stem cells significantly reduce the need of insulin shots for people with type 1 diabetes. A treatment, researchers say, may someday provide a cure for the chronic life-altering condition. So not exactly what you said. I mean, it's still promising. That's still good. You missed my super chat. They have one for large dogs as well. What, a medicine, a treatment to help them live longer? Let me see. Oh, you're right. FDA approves a medication that extends the lifespan of dogs. Medication developed by San Francisco-based startup Loyal received conditional approval by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration. So it's for large dogs, it seems. That's more good news.